In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your website to Nexcess using a simple step-by-step method. Whether you're an experienced developer or just getting started, these instructions will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. First, you'll need to log into your Nexcess client portal. Head over to my.nexcess.net, where you'll enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the options available, as we'll be interacting with a couple of these throughout the process. Next, navigate to the support section by clicking on Open Support. From here, you will see an option for Submit a Migration Request. Click on it, or alternatively, you can use the dedicated migration form. This is where you'll start preparing the essential details needed for migration. Now enter the required details, which include your domain name, your current hosting provider, access credentials like cPanel, FTP, SFTP, or SSH, and your WordPress admin credentials if applicable. It's important to provide any additional notes that might be relevant. This could include email information, specific subdomains, cron jobs, or special plugins you're using. All of this information helps ensure a seamless transition to your new hosting environment. Once you've filled out all necessary details, go ahead and submit the form. After the submission, your part of this step is complete. Now you'll need to wait for Nexcess to perform the migration. They will send you a confirmation email alongside a temporary Nexcess URL that you'll use for testing. Upon receiving the temporary URL, it's crucial to test your site thoroughly. Check the functionality of vital elements such as pages, forms, checkout processes, SSL certificates, plugins, and email functionalities to ensure everything works correctly in the Nexcess setting. When you're satisfied that everything is functioning as expected, it's time to update your domain's DNS settings. You'll either update the A record or the name servers to point to the Nexcess server IP. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, Nexcess support can help facilitate the DNS update for you. After updating DNS, wait for the propagation to complete. This can take a little time depending on your DNS provider. Once done, verify that the site is live and performing as it should. If everything checks out, you can confidently cancel your old hosting service, knowing your website is now hosted smoothly on Nexcess. If you have a WordPress site, there's an additional step to enhance the migration process. Install the Migrate to Liquid Web and Nexcess plugin on your current site. Activate it and follow its prompts to connect and start the migration, which will handle copying files, database exports, and necessary configuration updates. Finally, once your WordPress migration is complete, perform another round of verification to ensure every component functions properly on your new Nexcess hosting environment. Update your DNS again if needed.